true.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So for today's vlog, I'll be doing staycation episode 2. So we'll be staying in Hilton Manila. So that's around Pasay again. So that's our staycation for the month of June. So before I leave for La Union next week, because I'll be completing my flying hours already para 200 and tapos na. So again, I just wanted to document it, show you the amenities there, anong pwedeng kainan, what we're going to do there. And of course, as an overpacker, ang dami ko ulit dala. But let's go kasi late na naman kami. It's already 2:30. See you guys there. So, we're already here at Hilton Manila and it's already 8 p.m. So, medyo na-late kami ng check-in because we still went to Mega Mall to have dinner and we bought some stuff. So, after checking in, we're going straight na to the room to rest because I am so sleepy. So, let's go.
Feels like I'm wasting time away. Well, she's got her hair up top.
We are now going to the room. So we're at the 7th floor. So we are already at the hotel room. I'ma give you a fast room tour with the sumpungin over there. So we'll do a little room tour. Are you gonna be sick this trip?
No,
Do you promise?
I promise.
So we have 2 beds finally. Then nandito yung TV. They also have a desk here if you wanna work. And then merong sofa for lounging. I don't know.
Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day.
Pumili ka. Pumili ka. Ito totoo yung mga pamimilian. O sige, sino una magkukwento?
Oh my God!
Okay, number 1, ang top, anong kwento na most memorable childhood experience?
Lagi namimili.
Go. You're still young, so I guess naaalala mo pa yung childhood mo. Dad! Uy, mag-join ka!
Oo, sige.
Grabe naman to, puro Walang kwenta lang mga usapan dito eh. Kailangan ni ano. Ikaw na naglalaro ko.
So we're back here sa Newport Mall because we're going to buy Starbucks, before we sleep. So dito, here. We are finally on the way back sa room. I am so sleepy. It's just 9:30 and I am sleepy. It's my sleeping time. Ito, sleeping time nito is 7 a.m.
Lying.
7 a.m. for
I sleep
sure.
at 7 p.m. daily.
No, liar.
Hi.
Kulit. Sabi ko like hi lang na ano, wave.
Oh,
Yeah, like hi.
Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing.
Breakfast time. So yung breakfast sa my third floor also. So, breakfast time. Wow, kasama ka today. Kasama siya today mag-breakfast. Outfit. Discuss mo yan.
Dapat bigyan, outfit check.
Outfit check! Ano?
Geng, geng. Geng, geng.
Hey God, paano yung
Geng,
geng-geng?
geng. Outfit check. Geng, geng.
What can you say about the buffet? Happy Father's Day, Dad. That was a very nakakabusog breakfast. Did you like it?
Yeah.
So, what was your favorite? What was your favorite?
The bread.
The what?
The bread.
Yeah, hindi ka na kumain ng iba. Yan lang. Yung bread lang yung kinain niya yata. Happy Father's Day!
Ah, okay, 380 ka. 320.
Cause I think
that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park.
So, that's it guys for our staycation episode 2. So, again, we stayed in Hilton Manila. That's around Pasay. So, I hope you stay tuned for episode 3 on which hotel would be staying next for the month of July. So, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you again guys for watching and see you again on the next episode. Bye!